Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons. If you study evolution of plants, you probably will get such questions on your exam. So here's the first question. Algae belonging to the order of Bryopsidales have multi-nucleated cells. Is it true or false? Take a look at this picture, which shows different species in this order. And they look very differently, but all of them are unicellular. It is very strange that such large algae can consist of only single cell. So if someone would start arguing with you that it is not possible to see a single cell, you can say that order Bryopsidales has a lot of algae that is large enough and they're unicellular. But of course, one nucleus is not going to be enough for such large plant. Morphologically, this alga can be multicellular and multinucleated, but also can be unicellular and multinucleated, or we also can say acellular. And here you also can see cross-section of this alga. With blue color here shown vacuole, and dots, green dots here stand for the chloroplast, and other multiple dots here stand for the nucleus. So our answer to the question, algae belonging to the order Bryopsidales have multinucleated cells, this is true statement. So answer A. And the last question, zygotes can be haploid or diploid. Take a look. Here is a sperm. Sperm is a gamete. And gametes are haploid, so 1N. And here's another gamete, which we call egg cell, and it also haploid, so 1N. And when sperm penetrates egg cell, we say egg cell becomes fertilized and becomes 2N zygote or diploid zygote. So zygotes can be diploid, but they cannot be haploid. So this is false statement. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.